Before I started Manpower, I was working at a bakery and some other temporary job. I really want to find a way out. I tried so many things, but most of them didn't work out for me. One day I got an email from Manpower that there's a program that want people to become a machinist.
MAPS is the Manpower Acceleration Programs. It provides our associates with free reskilling and upskilling program opportunities to tap into skills development and training to help elevate their potential and capabilities. Anson was a great candidate for the CNC Machinist Learning and Training Program, which is part of MAPS. He entered the program with great enthusiasm and a real need to learn and grow in his career.
After I complete this CNC training program, I received a level 1 machinist certificate that really helped me to get into the field.
I learned about the program from the Canadian Tooling and Machining Association. We were in need for employees. They made the appeal to Hibar whether we would be interested in bringing on some young talent, and definitely there was a need. I learned more about it and we got involved in the OMLC and Manpower program.
I started the job making a washer, and after a couple of years, I'm making a complex parts. Financially, it's increased like much better than before, and I am a full-timer now. I have all the benefits. I can take care of my family.
There's always new things to learn, always new technologies to adopt. To me, it's an exciting opportunity for young people to get into this trade.
I'm at my 3rd year apprentice of machinist. And after I complete that, I become a red seal machinist. And my door is wide open for me. One sentence about this program is shortcut to the field. And it give me knowledge, certification, and skill to get into the field. Manpower is not just an agency. It's like a family member that help you and care about your career.